Okay, so over on Instagram, I kind of gave you guys a sneak peek of what a windstorm did to my chicken coop. The long and short of it is the wind and snow and rain ended up knocking down a couple sections of the fence and the chicken or the bird netting over the top. So I said in the video over there that I would wait until there was less snow to pick it up. Well, yesterday was actually really nice. It was like almost 40 degrees. So I decided, let's go ahead and do this now. So here's that process. And this is about as good as I'm gonna get for now. Also, I hope you enjoy a bonus clip of my dogs zooming in the backyard. Boom!